Hello and welcome to my front door, my porch. I thought I would kick off the summer season doing the wreath, the first thing that you would walk in and see when you see my home. So I decided to do these very fun mini umbrella cocktail umbrellas, just to have fun and show, a different, colorful. I didn't realize I matched so well with my doors here, but anyway, I love mint. So anyway, I wanted to bring out color since the doors already have so much color, and I actually kind of have a bit of color here at the front. That sound is like the summer sound. Anyway, when you walk into your home or knock on the door, I really want it to be a fun presence out here. I want you to just get the vibe right from my porch. I will say you might have to have a screened over porch to have these because they are not weatherproof. The best place to probably have them is like indoor. If you have, if you live in an apartment, put these on the inside of your door, or even, having them just like in the house would be fun. But if you have your door exposed to the elements, I would say that this is going to, it's going to ruin, and probably quickly. It's paper. Also, I put these on a ribbon, and I let this ribbon here go a little bit longer than this one, just to show you the difference. I kind of like this one a little bit more. I cut this one just a little bit too short, so I wanted to leave that option for you. I probably will leave it like that just because I like this one more. I might end up changing it, but anyway, that's the ribbon. This was very inexpensive to make, less than $10. Probably because I had to do 2 doors, it was $10, so I would say $5 each, less than. So this is the front doors, and this one still looks a little bit higher. I need to fix that or see about that. But this is the front porch. So I have this swing that I got, and these 2 chairs. I think I got those at Five Below. Hanging flowers always work. This is also fun to just leave out. I really like the look of the antique chairs, so I probably won't paint those. Everyone asks me if I'm going to paint them. I'm like, no, I really like that it looks antique. I like that it looks vintage. And then the girls out here, so we have Fla and Mingo, or I'm sorry, that's Flo and that's Mingo, and they're a couple. They're just hanging out, and these actually have they're gorgeous. I got these at Home Depot, but they actually have they're solar powered, so they do light up at night. And I love my doormat here. I need a bigger one though, but yeah, this is Flo and that's Mingo, and they're a couple, and they talk to each other all day long.
perfect. I can fully relate to Amelia adding extra pressure on yourself because of who your parents are.
You know, you don't want your kids to look like they failed at something, you know, because then you feel like, well, then I failed.
I'm going to figure out my anxiety next week. I'm just like start shaking and I start freaking out. I've thrown up before.
I can't imagine if you were still in New York, to be honest with you.
What was at stake for Amelia in New York?
Her life. Would she become suicidal? Well, you do not go around with that when you have a teenager.
Let's talk about Amelia's situation.
She's got a
How's her
plan.
head right now?
Her head seems really much better. When Amelia was going through her eating disorder,
Ready up for a hot dog? I'm gonna have a hot dog.
Force feeding me like, I am hungry.
Oh,
Carrie learned how to speak to Amelia and what to say